Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to place a bet on 1xBet. First thing first, launch the 1xBet app on your Android or iOS device or open the website and log in to your account. On the home page, tap the Sports tab and browse through the available sports categories. Now once inside your chosen sport, you'll see a list of upcoming matches. Each match will display various betting markets and odds. Tap on the odds you want to back and your selection will automatically appear on your bet slip. Now open your bet slip and then double check the match details and betting market you selected and enter the amount of money you want to wager. The app will automatically display your potential winnings based on the odds. Now once you're satisfied, click Place Bet and a confirmation message will appear letting you know that your bet has been accepted. Now simply wait for the event to finish and see if your prediction was correct. With these steps, you're ready to start betting anytime, anywhere with the 1xBet app. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.